Italian design has always been admired for its beauty, craftsmanship, and timeless elegance. When it comes to bathrooms, Italian style brings together luxury, comfort, and a touch of artistry that makes even the simplest spaces feel special. In this video, we'll explore how Italian bathrooms are designed, how tiles play a vital role, and what makes their makeovers and renovations so sophisticated. Whether you're planning a full remodel or just looking for inspiration, this guide will help you understand what makes Italian bathrooms truly exceptional. The essence of Italian bathroom design. Italian bathrooms are known for their balance of functionality and elegance. They are never overcrowded, yet they always feel rich in character. The spaces are designed with an emphasis on proportion, light, and quality materials. Natural elements like marble, travertine, and stone are often paired with sleek, modern finishes to create a look that feels both warm and refined. Every detail is carefully thought out, from the tiles on the floor to the lighting above the mirror. The result is a space that feels calm, luxurious, and effortlessly beautiful. The role of tiles in Italian bathrooms. Tiles are the heart of any Italian bathroom. They bring life, texture, and personality to the space. Italian tiles are not only known for their quality, but also for their artistry. Whether it's the soft veining of marble-look porcelain, the rustic charm of terracotta, or the sleek appeal of modern matte tiles, each type tells a story. The Italian approach often combines large format tiles for walls and floors, creating a seamless and spacious feel. Patterns are subtle but elegant, and the color palette leans toward natural tones like ivory, beige, soft gray, and warm white. Choosing the right tile finish. The finish of your tiles can completely change the mood of your bathroom. Glossy tiles reflect light beautifully and make small spaces feel larger and brighter. Matte tiles, on the other hand, give a modern and understated look, perfect for minimalist Italian interiors. For a touch of luxury, you can use textured or patterned tiles behind the vanity or inside the shower as an accent wall. Mixing finishes adds visual interest without overwhelming the space. Italians often use contrast wisely, smooth and rough textures, light and dark tones, to create harmony and depth. Color palette and ambience. Italian bathrooms often draw inspiration from nature, which is why their color palettes are calm and timeless. Shades of cream, white, sand, taupe, and soft gray dominate these spaces. For those who prefer a bolder look, deep navy, charcoal, or even emerald tones can be used sparingly for accents. The key is balance. Colors should evoke relaxation and elegance rather than boldness. Warm lighting enhances the soft tones of the walls and tiles, creating a spa-like ambience where every moment feels peaceful and rejuvenating. Fixtures and fittings, the Italian way. No Italian bathroom is complete without attention to the details. Fixtures are sleek, sculptural, and elegant. Chrome, matte black, brushed brass, and gold finishes are popular choices that add sophistication to the space. Italian design favors clean lines, so you'll often see wall-mounted faucets, floating vanities, and frameless mirrors. Even the smallest elements, such as towel hooks or handles, are chosen to complement the overall theme. These details make a big difference, turning a simple bathroom into a refined retreat. Bathroom layout and space planning. Italian bathrooms are designed for both beauty and practicality. The layout is always functional, ensuring easy movement and a sense of openness. The bathtub or shower area often becomes the focal point, while storage is cleverly hidden behind elegant cabinetry. Floating shelves, recessed niches, and built-in mirrors keep the design streamlined and organized. The idea is to create a space that feels open and uncluttered, where every feature has a purpose and contributes to the overall aesthetic. Lighting setting the mood. Lighting plays a crucial role in enhancing the elegance of an Italian bathroom. Soft, layered lighting creates depth and warmth. Ceiling lights provide brightness, while wall sconces or pendant lights around the mirror add a touch of glamour. Indirect lighting under vanities or behind mirrors can make the space feel more luxurious. Natural light, if available, is always celebrated. Italians believe that good lighting doesn't just illuminate a room. It creates an experience that feels both intimate and inspiring. Furniture and accessories. Italian bathroom furniture combines functionality with artistry. Floating vanities with sleek finishes, elegant mirrors with thin frames, and minimalist shelving units are staples of the design. Accessories are chosen carefully. Nothing feels excessive or out of place. A simple vase, a few high-quality towels, or a small plant can bring warmth and softness to the room. Italians believe that less is more, and it's this philosophy that makes their bathrooms look so effortlessly chic. Bringing luxury through materials. The real charm of Italian bathroom design lies in its materials. Marble and natural stone are the stars, bringing elegance and timelessness to the space. Porcelain tiles that mimic marble offer the same beauty with easier maintenance. Wooden elements, whether in the vanity or decor, add warmth and contrast beautifully with stone finishes. Glass partitions for showers and metallic accents in faucets or handles bring modern sophistication. Every material feels natural, refined, and chosen for both beauty and durability. Bathroom makeover ideas inspired by Italian design. If you're planning to renovate your bathroom, you can bring Italian flair into your home without breaking the budget. Start with a neutral color palette and high-quality tiles. Replace your old vanity with a floating one for a cleaner look. Add mirrors that enhance the space and use elegant fixtures in gold or matte black. Focus on lighting. It's the key to creating that luxurious Italian atmosphere. Even small updates, like changing hardware or adding new wall tiles, can dramatically elevate the space. The goal is to make your bathroom feel calm, inviting, and beautiful. Creating a spa-like experience at home. Italian bathrooms are often designed to feel like private spas. Soft lighting, soothing colors, and natural textures make the space perfect for relaxation. A freestanding bathtub, fluffy towels, scented candles, and plants can transform an ordinary bathroom into a serene escape. Adding music or aromatherapy completes the spa-like experience. It's all about creating moments of peace and comfort in your everyday routine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more design inspiration.